to my channel. Today's video is about hand hygiene. You know, as for health professionals, we have to do hand hygiene to help us prevent infection. And one of the methods is by routine hand washing. So I'm going to demonstrate on how to do a routine hand washing. And then before you do any hand washing, first of all, if you are using a tap like this, you first need to check the flow of the tap. So as you can see, this tap is flowing. Then your soap available, and then your tissue paper or your hand towel or hand dryer too available. So a flowing tap like this, or if it is a Veronica bucket, we have to check what is inside, because you know some of our clients, even though it's a Veronica bucket with water, but they might put something inside. So before you do any hand washing, you want to check if it is a Veronica bucket to see if the water inside is clean. Health professionals, ideally, we are not to even wear ring at the workplace. So before you do hand washing and you are in ring, you need to remove the ring. And since I have worked with the ring, I'll first of all wash the ring like this. Yes. Then I'll put it aside. So I'll do my hand washing. So before I do this hand washing, first of all I'll wet my hands like this. Then I'll pour enough soap like this. Then I'll apply it all over the palm like this. So the soap should be enough to cover all. So after this, then I'll rub back of the right to the left like this, and then the vice versa. Then interlaced, then interlocked like this. Then you wash the side to when you are interlocking, then you do vice versa. So once you are done interlocking like this, then you rotate, rub your left thumb clasped in your right palm, and then the vice versa. Then you're rotating with clasped fingers of the right hand in the left, and then vice versa. Then when you are done with this, you extend it to your wrist like this. So this is for the routine. And then when you extend from your wrist to your elbow, that is what we call the surgical hand washing. It's the same procedure, but you extend it to your elbow. Then you are done. So once you are done, you rinse your hands thoroughly like this. So when you are done rinsing, then you can dry your hands like this, or you can use your tissue like this to clean your hands, or if you have a hand towel or hand dryers available too, you can use them to dry your hands. So thanks so much for watching today's video.
Hi guys.
If this video is useful, kindly give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment down below at the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are new here and be part of this family.